bend, stop at the 90-degree angle, and extend all the way up. So big things here are that the wrists stay turned upward. My head looks forward or down. It never looks up. Elbows are next to my ears. Notice the elbows bend inward and the weight goes straight up. So free weight triceps overhead. You can also do this with one hand. You could go one hand in front, one hand in back, like this. But you'll notice that the weight of the way that it is, one of my elbows is slightly more forward than the other one. So if you want the elbows to be even, you can hold it two sides. But depending on how heavy the weight is, how comfortable the person is holding the sides of the weight, or what kind of weight the grip has, they might like that better. Okay, then tricep kickback. So you're going to go one hand forward. The leg that's forward has the hand forward, and one leg backward, and the leg that's backward has the weight back here. Then extend straight backward. Notice my head stays looking down. The elbow stays exactly in the same spot, and then it's just bending, extending on the elbow. So nothing else moves. My shoulder stays still, the elbow stays still, and just the hand moves. And then I stop it here. A lot of times people want to come curl it all the way up, or they'll pull it this way, or a lot of times people will go too high and make the shoulder come down. So notice the rest of my body stays still, my head stays looking down, the elbow stays next to me, and then extending backward. Also, same position, you can do a row. So elbow bend down here, I'm still holding on, pull the weight up to the chest, bring the weight back down, elbow slightly bent here, weight up to the chest, back muscle squeeze, and down. Big things here, don't pull the weight forward or rotate too high and make the shoulder go down. The shoulder stays next to you and down, then the weight comes up and touches you, and then back down again, but not hanging down here, it's got a little bend. Then bicep curls. So this one, you can do wrists in and flat, back side of the wrist is flat, this wrist is up, and then these are hammer curls. So alternating one at a time, hammer curls alternating, or hammer curl doubles. Now bicep curls a little more complicated. Even when the weight's down here, the wrist is flat, the wrist is turned up, and you're gonna go knuckles look at your face, turning in, turn out, elbow lock next to you, same thing over here, knuckles to face, turn out, and back down, same thing over here. And then you can do doubles. It's twice as hard because you don't get a break in between. The muscles don't get a break. They're just constantly going. Or singles. Then there's isometric curls. So isometric hammer curls is no shortening or lengthening of the muscles. They're just in a small isometric pulse. So small range. Notice the weight is above the 90-degree angle. Just a little bit higher. The wrist is turned upward. Or isometric bicep curl. Weight slightly above the 90-degree angle. It's kind of a burnout set to burn the bicep muscles out. And generally these are done one at a time. Bicep muscle curls here. Good. That's it there.